In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change capitalization in Canva. Whether you're creating a bold headline, fixing a typo, or experimenting with text styles, Canva makes it simple to adjust the capitalization of your text with just a few clicks. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to toggle between uppercase and lowercase letters, making your designs even more professional and eye-catching. If you don't already have a Canva account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. All right, let's dive in. First, open Canva in your browser or app and log in to your account. Once you're at the dashboard, locate the Create a Design button. You'll find it at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. This is the starting point for creating a new design. Now, from the options that appear, select Custom Size. Here, you'll see fields where you can input specific dimensions for your project. For this tutorial, set the width and height to 100 by 100 pixels. After entering those values, confirm your choice to create a new blank design. This will give us a clean slate to practice with. Next, look over to the left-hand side of the design editor and click on the Text tab. This is where you'll find all the options for adding text to your design. From the text options, select Add a Heading, or you can choose another text style if you prefer. This will insert a text box into your design. Now, double-click the text box to activate it and type in some sample text. This could be anything you'd like to use for practice. Once you've entered your text, click on the text box again to select it. This step is important because selecting the text box ensures any changes you make will apply to that specific content. Once the text box is selected, highlight all the text inside. This is a key step to make sure the entire text is affected by the changes. If you only highlight part of the text, any adjustments will only apply to the portion you've selected. So, take a moment to ensure everything is highlighted. Now, look at the toolbar located above the canvas. You'll find a button that changes text case represented by two A's side by side. This is the case button, and it's what we'll use to adjust the capitalization. Click the case button once, and you'll see that all your text changes to uppercase. This is perfect for creating bold, attention-grabbing headlines or fixing accidental lowercase typing. If you need to switch it back, just click the button again. This will return the text to lowercase, allowing you to experiment with different styles or correct capitalization errors. If you don't see the change happen right away, don't worry. Canva might take a moment to process the transformation. Just give it a second, and the text will update shortly. And that's it. You've now learned how to change text capitalization in Canva, whether you need uppercase for a striking title or lowercase for a more casual look. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.